Today is a super quick and amazingly easy video to show you how to make shortcrust pastry. That's the one. La la, we did it. I mean, I did it. I've made this video before, but it's so old and it makes me cringe looking at it. So I decided to refilm it, to redo it, so you've got a better video, much, my style that's now. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll be showing you loads of amazing recipes that we're gonna do with this shortcut pastry. I'm planning on doing a lemon tart and chocolate tart and even a lemon meringue pie. So you've got something really to look forward to, and it's gonna be amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know if you want me to do any other how-to videos. Leave the comments down below and let's get started. We're gonna make our sweet shortcrust pastry. So add your plain flour and icing sugar into a food processor. Then I'm adding cold butter. It needs to be really cold for this recipe to work. And then we're gonna blitz everything together really quickly until it resembles nice crumbs consistency. Then we're going to add all of this into a large bowl. Then add your eggs and mix everything together until the mixture becomes nice and sticky. If it is too dry, you can add a drop of water, but in this case it shouldn't be. And then use your hand and roll out the pastry into a nice round shape, just like that. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Then add more flour onto your surface, place your dough, and then sprinkle more flour and just roll it around several times just to make it nice and even. You don't want to overwork the pastry. Then we're going to place some cling film on top and wrap it around, and then place it into the fridge for about 30 minutes.